Welcome to this beautiful home. This is one of the rooms. It's got a king-size bed, a very nice mahogany dresser here, and marble top. This is solid mahogany wood. We have a sofa bed here, which turns into, if you pull this, it turns into a double bed. And of course, you have space for both the king bed and a double bed for your guests if you have any, and still plenty of space in the middle to do your yoga or just it's a spacious room, which instead of being in a confined small little space, you have room to breathe, room to stretch, room to do yoga. It's sometimes nice to have a spacious room. There's two big bookshelves here. There's this chair with velvet upholstery, a very nice, comfortable chair, very high-end chair, and a business-grade desk, which is actually from my dad's work. Solid wood, very heavy. Lots of compartments to put your pencils or whatever. Lots of sunlight you get there. Lots of sunlight, and you can always close the curtains if you want. You've got French doors for the entrance, so you get a lot of sunlight even through the side. And if you want, you can always put a curtain up there too to block the light coming in from the side. But that room gets a ton of sunlight. And these rooms also get a ton of sunlight. Here's another room. This one has a queen bed. Lots of sunlight here. And a very big closet here. This goes all the way in there and then all the way deep into here. Plus, there's a lot of shelf space for your shoes or your books, or I don't even know what you can put there. There's so many shelving units, so many shelves that you can put all sorts of things there. And this room is the same. It's also got a nice, beautiful queen bed, mahogany wood. We have about $15,000 worth of furniture that we're giving you here. This night table is the same as that dresser you saw in the first room. Marble top, mahogany drawers, same with the bed. Really high-end stuff. Tons of sunlight you get over here. The desk is also solid wood, solid wood, and you have the same chair with the velvet upholstery. This is the same size closet as in the other room. It goes all the way to the end of this side and all the way to the end of here. It goes all the way in. So it's a very big closet. Let's check out this room as well. This used to have a queen bed here, but we removed that because the last person that lived here only had bed sheets for a single bed. This is probably one of the nicest desks out of all of the rooms. Really, again, solid wood and the same chair with the velvet upholstery. You can also use this screen if you want, and the power cord down there. Here is the desk, which comes down like that if you want to put a keyboard there. Amazing drawers, just absolutely amazing. Lots of space for filing stuff, and really nice desk. Very big one as well. Lots of sunlight there. Lots of closet space here as well. Lots of sunlight in the shower. Brand new toilet. Just a standard washroom with standard sink, brand new toilet. Lots of sunlight for the shower. The neighbors over there, Brenda, they've been there since 1981. They love the place. They could easily move into a better place, but they love this neighborhood. It's a nice area, a safe area. Here's a dining table with 5 chairs plus a couple of extra chairs on the side. You can fit 6 chairs in there if you want to. Here's the kitchen. You've got a brand new oven and stove, and a very nice microwave, full-sized fridge and freezer. Lots of cupboard space here. Lots and lots and lots of cupboard space. Here, 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 and here. That's enough space for your cupboards, right? So I guess the last thing I didn't show you was a little bit of storage space over here for your towels or whatever, and also for your winter coats. You have some space here as well.